Hello guys and gals, welcome back. So here's a scenario. You've got yourself a bunch of vocal samples, but you have no idea where to start in terms of chords. What chords are going to fit with them? Today I'm going to show you a really easy trick that works with 99% of them. Let's go. Okay, so I'm going to use a release I did last month as an example. It's called Need Your Love, because there's 4 different sections to this vocal. This is a splice vocal. It's in C minor. And we got the verse.
It's been days I haven't slept. I wish you were here instead of dreaming when you hold me.
There's a pre. There's a drop. And there's a post. It's a good example because there's essentially 4 different melodies there, so I can show you how this works. Now we're assuming a couple of things. First is that we don't know what the melody contains in terms of notes. We don't know what it's doing inside that sample. Secondly, we are assuming the sample is labeled correctly. Also, I'm assuming you don't know the scale of C minor. I know this vocal is in C minor, but I'm going to use my usual trick of showing it in A. So then we just have to use the white notes, because all the white notes from A are a minor scale. And we're just going to put +3 on our pitch here, so it plays back in C. So this trick, I call it the 1-6-4 trick, because its chords 1, 6, and 4 happen to work with pretty much any melody. And 1, 6, and 4 in A is an A, an F, and D. So if we just build the chord as usual, we miss one, we press one, we miss one, we press one. To do that, these 3 chords, 1, 6, 4. Just let you hear those. Those fit with anything, any order you like. I'm just going to put this one here. So this is a 1, 6, 4, 6. These will work with everything. So here's our verse.
It's been days I haven't slept. I wish you were here instead of dreaming when you hold me again.
The pre. Drop. Post. You see? Let me swap the order around. So let's try 4, 6, 1. Let's go that way. Try the verse.
It's been days I haven't slept. I wish you were here instead of dreaming when you hold me again.
See? Those 3 chords work under everything. And if you want to evolve that strategy, let me show you the next trick. We've got 7 options, obviously. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In a minor, we don't bother with 2. In a major, we don't bother with 7. But the same strats work in major and minor. 1, 6, 4 are your primary choices. And then the other ones, you can go in between with. So the actual original chord progression here on my release that's a 1, and then I use a 3 to step up to the 4, and then 6. It's this speed though. So this is our loop. like I say, you can use any of the other numbers to swap between the primary 1, 6, and 4. So let me take, let's go back to 1, 6, 4. You can see we can put gaps here, and we can use these in between ones as passing chords. They're called passing chords. You can think of them as stepping stones. So this is chord 7 coming down to 6. I'm going to go chord 5 to 4. And I'm going to go chord 5 to 6 again. And we go 7 to 1. Again, let's check the other melodies. Check the verse.
It's been days I haven't slept. I wish you were here instead of dreaming when you hold me again.
You see? Works with everything. And if you want to know how we get all the way to those kind of arrangements, I can do a separate video on that. But this video was just to show you how 1, 6, and 4 work with pretty much everything. In fact, I'm going to prove it to you. I'm going to go to, let's go to Splice. I'm going to search for more vocals, female, why not? C minor. And we're going to go BPM just to make things quicker. So we're in that range. Now I can't play these back. It's against Splice's terms of service. So just let me grab a handful and I'll see you back in the project. Right, so I've literally just dragged in 5 vocals in random order. They all say they're C minor. I've just had a quick check. I've just leveled the volumes. Here is our 1, 6, 4, 6 chord progression with the passing chords under all these vocals. Now, I've never heard these vocals before. I've literally just bought them from Splice. You'll hear these chords should work under all of them.
Start again. You'll find your way. You'll find your way. Don't run and wake up looking for somebody to love me. And now I'm at the crossroads making excuses just to stop and talk for a while. And I've been living on a good love, living like it won't stop, giving you the best of me. But now I'm feeling like it's all gone, baby. When it go wrong, I thought we were meant to be now.
You got that heartbeat, sound just like a choir singing. That heartbeat gave me all my deephouse dreaming. Oh, your heartbeat got me high and I'm not coming down. Watch out.
You see? Random vocals, 1, 6, 4, always going to work. Okay, there we go. Now you have no excuses. Where to start? It's all right there. Get on it. Obviously, there are exceptions to the rule. Not going to work 100% of the time. That's why I said 99%. Technically not clickbait. Don't at me. So, you know what to do. If you found that helpful, leave us a like. Even better, leave us a sub. And until next time, now you know to start with chords. Bye-bye.